get ready for my Bombay Times Fashion Week, and I'm opening the show. Means there are multiple show. I'm like there will be a lot of designers who will have their show, and it's a proper segment after 1 hour and maybe after 2 hours. So maybe a five numbers of designer will be having showcasing their designs. So I'm the first one who's walking on the ramp, and I'm starting the day, and I'm very very excited. At the same time I'm nervous, and also I wanted to tell you guys, जो घाघरा है that is for 15 kg, and that's unbelievable but extremely beautiful and dreamy. So let's start getting ready and I'll share my look with you. So finally I'm ready with my look. This is a Mughlai bride, and honestly speaking, first time मैंने कुछ अलग किया है as a bride. I personally like very simple and very sober kind of a soothing color, but this is the amazing look. I liked my today's look.
We are just entering the lift.
Rashami Desai with Anu, who's walked the ramp for her. Hi Rashmi and hi Anu.
Hi.
Resha. Rashmi, you look stunning first of all. And I just want to say, can you go ahead and tell me about your look today?
Today's look is like, it's more of a bridal look, and Mughlai, the entire collection that she has, and she's named it Shehnai collection, which was very different for me entirely because I normally don't wear bridal wear, and this is, I think, for the first time, even in my career, I'm wearing such heavy dress, and this is making me feel like, okay, I think I should, I can fall in love again.
like the chaos that I had all over around me, on screen, off screen, and that little bit chaos that I have created. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Rashami Desai.